Hi guys, this is Diya Vaidya and today I am going to show you what's in my bag. First of all, I want to tell you that I am a person who likes to carry lots of stuff in a single bag. I carry almost every necessary things in this cute little bag from H&M. I don't want to carry a huge bag like many other girls. I like to carry small bag. I am a small bag person and with whole world in it. Okay, let me show you what are the necessary things I carry in my bag without which I can't move out or step out from my home. To be very honest, this small bag is my survival kit and don't get confused with its size. Let's open it. I'm very much excited to open my bag and show you guys what I carry. Makeup pouch. Later I'll show you what's inside this. And then my charger. I keep charging charger with me because बैटरी प्रॉब्लम है. वैसे बहुतों को होती है तो मुझे भी है बैटरी प्रॉब्लम, सो आई हैव टू कैरी. और स्पेशली आईफोन्स में बैटरी प्रॉब्लम हो ही जाती है 1-2 साल के बाद. एंड देन द मोस्ट मैंडेटरी थिंग इज़ माई फोन, देन माई वॉलेट एंड माई शेड्स एंड और क्या है, इट्स लाइक मेरा खजाना है पूरा यहाँ पे. माई हाउस कीज, ऑफिस आईडी एंड लिप बाम, a pen and a small notepad so that whatever comes in my mind I just write it here. And this is a cute pen drive with this thing so that it will not get lost. I hang it with this. And yeah, one more thing, a small D so that I can show I am owning this pen drive. Because I lost many of my pen drives or most chota valuable things, so I like to keep hanging things like this. My mirror, say it's small mirror. And what else, this face wipes or comb, sanitizer. These days it's very mandatory, but I used to keep these things earlier also because I like the fragrance in sanitizers. And what's more, a power bank, perfume. This is Victoria's Secret perfume. And one more perfume I carry, it's in this bag, that is in small size, pocket size. Some of my passport size photos. I don't know why I carry this, but from my college times I used to carry my passport photos with me so that wherever anybody asks for passport size photo, I'll give like le lo. And what else, okay, I forgot this, my earphones. And okay, one more thing, I carry this small size of mouth fresheners. They are like strips here, they are pocket packs and very easy to carry. And one Eno ka packet. Bas, one mask, one more mask is there. Oh, this is a small pouch which carry one more mask, party wear wala, thoda sa aise fancy. And some of my earrings. Mostly I kept 2 earrings at least. ये क्या हो गया? I used to carry 2 earrings with me so that if I have to go to any party or something from office, or in the evening if friends make sudden plans, so that मेरे कान खाली ना हो, तो I'll keep this party wear वाले earrings and party wear वाले mask. Okay, now I'll show you what in my this pouch. तो सबसे पहले I used to carry this hydrating gel from Pond's, and अगर मुझे इवनिंग को पार्टी वगैरह में जाना है then I'll carry this Urban Colors के one is primer, छोटू पैक, and a foundation. And I love to carry them in boxes. A blender and one single brush, with the help of which I'll apply all my foundations or whatever with this single brush or this blender. And थोड़े से ये rubber bands और क्या है, compact, and ये 2 शेड्स में रखती हूँ. वन इज़ फॉर पार्टी पर्पस, थोड़ा सा ब्राइट डार्क रेड और समथिंग, एंड द सेकेंड वन इज़ फॉर एवरीडे पर्पस. और दिस 9 to 5 वेटलेस मैट मोज lip and cream color. These are tint used in chicks and knits both. So I love to carry this ताकि मेरा ये सिंगल 2 पर्पस सॉल्व करे. एंड और क्या है, वन मोर मेवलिन का फिट मी फाउंडेशन इन द शेड 310, एंड सम सेफ्टी पिन्स एंड टिकटॉक क्लिप्स. हाँ, मैंने बोला था ना एक छोटा सा परफ्यूम, दैट इज़ दिस वन, छोटू परफ्यूम. ये इट फ्रेगनेंस वेरी गुड and very easy to handle and carry. इसके अलावा मेरी 2 मेडिसिन, वन इज़ दिस नियोस्प्रीन पाउडर, जिसको कि I can use it in anywhere if cut, burn or rashes or any skin issues. I can use this powder. And one Vicks VapoRub for headache or whatever pain kind of thing. Bas, this is empty. Oh, one more thing is there. This chotu sa stapler. Okay, one more thing is not there. That is my hand cream, because I don't like dry hand or feet. So I used to carry, but this time it's not here. But वो finish हो गया है, so it's not here. Also, I used to carry sanitary pads if my days are near. So that's it. These are the things I used to carry always in my bag. Okay, let me answer you some random questions.
What does your bag tell about you as a person?
Minimal, organized, or one who cannot compromise for necessary things or needs. Whatever I think it's required, I should have. I can't ask from other.
What do you want to carry if you're going to an island?
I think all this stuff what I show, I love to carry to an island, and might be medicine, some more medicines I will add in this, or some shampoo वगैरह चाहिए.
Your 3 essential things in your bag?
My face wash, my kajal, without which I cannot live, and I cannot think of living, and my phone.
And if you can carry only one thing, it will be?
Okay, if I have to carry only a single thing. Okay, what is the next question? These questions are fun.
What are the things you want to add in your bag and why?
Okay, that's what I just answered some few minutes before. I like to carry some medicine, power bank, because my battery is always about to die, and in my family and friend circle they are always complaining कि your phone's battery is always draining and we can't reach you. I am not that social person कि I have to carry my phone always और फ़ोन पे बात किए जा रही हूँ. But yeah, I feel lucky because in my life there are many people who always they think about me and they call me, and I feel so lucky to have such persons in my life as a friend, as a family. So for them I'll carry this power bank. वैसे मुझे कोई वो नहीं होता, पावर बैंक के बिना भी मैं चल लेती हूँ, मेरा फ़ोन चाहे मर जाए, आई डोंट केयर. बट या, फॉर माई लव्ड वंस दिस पावर बैंक.
What is the most essential thing in your bag?
Okay, according to me, my most essential things in my bag. Okay. Nowadays, mask is very essential, and this sanitizer. क्योंकि okay, can I keep this what? Can I keep this mask and sanitizer? One. Second is my kajal and my phone.
What about your wallet?
And wallet and other makeup. So wallet is in my phone as Paytm Phone Pay.
Only one thing from your makeup bag?
In makeup, if I could take only one thing with me, then it could be my kajal, or for that I can sacrifice my lip balm.
Why?
Cause I feel like blind without my kajal.
What do you want to tell in this video?
This is a fun video and I'm really enjoying this video because people are always curious to know what's in girl or woman's bag. So I make this video थोड़ा बहुत reveal कर पाऊँ कि what's in ladies bag, especially for those who are curious to know, and I'm sure those who are curious love to watch this video. And till my next video, bye. अब बहुत ही ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है मुझे, तुम रहने दो.